Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know, there are so many I could have picked from today. What a day we had in the market. Well, at least with Trade Ideas. But this is one from our AI, okay? And alert at 306. It got up to 353, still strong. So as we speak, this is up 13.5%, okay? There were several others from our AI that did very well also. But this is, right now, this is the star. This is up the most. Several others, though, 8%, 9%. But I also do want to just show you, this is my, of course, let me adjust this chart so I can show you what I'm talking about. Just give me a moment. I knew this would happen. Well, if I knew it would happen, why did I do it, right? Okay, just give me a moment and I just have to find my chart again. There we go. So yesterday in the abnormal option activity and the 10-day daily break, we had 4 alerts, but they all came into resistance, okay, immediately. So when we had the alert, there was a red line on the chart, and that meant I couldn't take the trade until it broke. It never broke. What a different day today, okay? First of all, this is one that I've been in all day. Let me just try to get this over here. This is one I've been in all day, is Steelcase, SCS at 1330. I didn't get in at 1330, but I got in a little bit later. But look at this beautiful move for SCS. Again, guys, when I'm doing my video, because I've got so many things going on, it takes a long time. Come on. There we go. Look at this move. Look at this move from here, from 1333 all the way up to 1436. Very orderly also, not too many gyrations. Now, if you want something that went crazy, look at POL. POL, and hopefully this doesn't take forever to load. Look at POL, 11:53, pretty late in the day, right? Almost noon Eastern time. The alert at 4:11. And it's just taking, I'm sorry, again, because I'm doing, there we go, look at this. From 4:11 to 9:41 and pretty steadily. Just a little pullback here and then boom. So I'm loving this scan, guys. If you want this scan, come into the trading room and I will give it to you. Okay, I want to get back into the trading room. So have a great evening and we'll see you tomorrow.